So second part, Granny Smith apples are sold at $3.50 per kg. And Fuji apples are sold at $5 per kg. So this is important. Granny Smith apples sold at find the probability that Granny Smith apples and 4 Fuji apples cost more than $6.50. Now this is very, very important. 6 Granny Smith apple meaning G1 times 350. Okay, so you see that's why I did 350 meaning is 1 this per gram, right? That is very important. So this will need to divide. This is in kg, so this need to change to gram. That's why it's very, very, very tricky. Okay, now the probability of you are taking 6 Granny Smith, so it's G1 plus G2 plus G3 plus all the way to G6, right? And this will be multiplied with 350 over 1000 because this is in grams. Okay, the G1 to G6 are all in grams. The last one will be 5 over 1000. You just take F1 all the way to F4. Okay, so that is the cost. So find probability that 6 is more than 650. So the required probability for part 2, required probability is actually probability of maybe I just write this down. I think I just write this as the total cost. So C is equals to total cost. It's total cost. Okay, that will be 350 over 1000, and you have got 6 Granny Smith, so G1 plus G2 all the way to G6. Okay, and you have got 4 Fuji apples, so it's 5 out of 1000, and this is F1 all the way to F4. Alright, so what you're going to do next is actually find the expectation, and the so expectation of C is pretty straightforward. It's just 3.5 over 1000 of E, of course it's 6 EG, right? Plus 5 over 1000 plus 4 EF. Expectation of, which is EG, yeah, that is pretty okay. So the total cost, this case here, EG will be here, 150, this is 180. So just key in calculator, there will be, this is EG here is actually 150. Then expectation of a mass, so the mean is 180. So key in calculator, you get 3.5 over 1000 times 6 times 150 plus 5 over 1000 is 1000. Okay, times 4 times 180. That will be 6.75. So it's $6.75. You expect it to be about $6.75. Alright, that's okay. Then variance is the one which is sometimes students have a problem. This will be 3.50 because of this constant here. Just remember you need to square the constant. So this case here will be 3.51. The coefficient needs to be square. Variance G. Okay, G1. You basically do it 6 times, okay? So this case here, what we get is actually 3.5. Let me just write it down for you. Variance G6. Okay, and this case will be 5 1000. There's a lot of things to write. Square variance F1 all the way to 5 over 1000 square variance F4. Then basically what we need is actually 6 times, because we have 6 times here. 6 times of variance G. And here is 4 times. Okay, so this case here, what we get is actually just 6 times 3.5 1000 square variance G plus 4 over 5 over 1000 square variance F. Okay, and now what we need is just key in variance F, variance G is given here, so this is actually 11.7 square. This is 12.2 square. Key in calculator. It's a lot of things to write there. you will eventually get 0.033165. Okay, so this is alright. Then you know that the total cost here, the distribution will follow a normal distribution, and we are looking at the required proper, hence C is normal distribution of 6.75, 0.033165, and required probability you want to find that is more than 650. It's a PC more than 650. That will be keying calculator, second distribution, CDF, then lower is 650, 10 to the power of 99, and 675, $6.75, and square root of 0.033165, 0.033165. Keying calculator there, you'll get 0.91508. Okay, it's 0. A lot of things, right? 0.91508. 3SF. Okay, that's how we do this questionnaire proficiently.